Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will continue block 13, My Country, and we will study third topic today. Be ready with all your essentials and answer that which seas and ocean border India and in which continent India is located? India is located in Asia continent. And the Arabian Sea lies to the west of India. You can check the map given on page number 25. Arabian Sea lies to the west of India and the Bay of Bengal to the east. The Indian Ocean lies in its south. And where is Himalayan mountain range? In which zone? In its north. And there are some neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives and Sri Lanka. So, do you know all the states, all the 28 states and 8 union territories and their capital? Do you all know? So today we will play a game to see if we can recall the names of states and capitals of India or not. Okay? For this, you need to remember the states and capital. And one more thing, in last video I have written 8 union territories. So there are, I have written 9 union territories. So there are 8 union territories and Delhi is the National Capital Territory of India and the central government buildings of India are located in Delhi. So there are 8 union territories. Delhi is the National Capital Territory and there are 28 states. Because Jammu and Kashmir are union territory now. So today we will know if we can recall the names of the states and capitals of India. So this is our today's topic, memory game. Write topic name with date in good handwriting. And our aim for today is to be able to recall the names of states, capitals and union territories. Okay? Now you can read all the states and capitals. You can pause the video, read them. Here are some instructions you need to follow. Read states and capitals of different regions and match one slide of states with their belonging capitals. I have given numbers to different slides. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. And in different slides I have written capitals and states. I will show you those slides. You need to make correct pairs of those slides. First slide will be of state. Example, slide number 1. In slide number 1 some states are written. So you need to match that slide with the correct capitals of those states. And you need to make pairs of numbers. For example, slide 1 is matching with slide 5. So you can write in this way, slide 1 and 5. Okay. So I am showing you those slides. You can write the numbers and you will give me answer in comment section. Make correct pairs of numbers and give me answer in the comment section. Today we are not going to discuss the answer because you already know the capital and state. If you don't know, you can read them again and make correct pairs of states and their capitals. Now, let's see the slides. Slide number 1, southern states, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. And central states, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Next is slide 2, western states, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. Next, northern eastern states, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Assam and Sikkim. So in some slides, in any slide, the capital of slide 3 is written. So you need to match slide 3 with that number slide. Next is slide 4, eastern states, Bihar, Sikkim, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Next, northern states, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Punjab. Next is Union Territory. There are 8 Union Territory and Delhi is the National Capital Territory. Union Territory, Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Delhi is the National Capital Territory of India. Now I am going to show you slides with capitals written on it. Match those slides with correct number of slides and you can note down it in your notebook and give me answer in the comment section. Make correct pairs of all numbers and give me answer. Slide 7, capitals Jaipur, Gandhinagar, Mumbai and Panji. Match this slide with the correct number where states of these capitals are written. Next is slide 8, capitals of Union Territory, Srinagar, Port Blair, Daman, Silvassa, Kavarati, Puducherry and Leh. Next is slide 9, capitals are Thiruvananthapuram, Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bhopal and Raipur. Next, slide 10, capitals Chandigarh, Lucknow, Shimla, Dehradun and Chandigarh. Slide 11, Kohima, Agartala, Dispur, Gangtok, Itanagar, Aizawl, Imphal, Shillong. Slide 12, capitals Patna, Gangtok. Sorry, no Gangtok. I have removed Sikkim from this slide because I have written Sikkim 2 times. So in slide 12, capitals are Patna, Ranchi, Kolkata and Bhubaneswar. Okay, so here are all the slides and their capitals. You need to make correct pairs of numbers and send me in the comment section. Read all the capitals and their states carefully. Make correct pairs and send me in the comment section. And now answer, which among the states or capitals are difficult to remember and why? What do you think? Which capital or states are difficult for you to remember? You can answer me in the comment section, okay? So in this way you can practice it also by writing that this capital is difficult for me to remember. But I think if we practice them by writing them again and again, it will be very easy for us to remember. And now answer, how many states are there in India? So there are 28 states and 8 union territories of India. And Delhi is the National Capital Territory of India. National Capital Territory means an area where central government buildings are located. So in Delhi, central government buildings are located. So Delhi is the National Capital Territory of India. Next question is, which is the largest and the smallest state in India? So Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is smallest state. And what are the capitals of these two states? You need to answer. Next is, which state has the same capital? So Chandigarh is the common capital of Haryana and Punjab. And this is your writing work for today. Make a table with 2 columns with the heading state and capital. Write the names and capitals of any 10 states of India. Do PQ 2 and 8. And today's states and capitals are capital of Telangana is Hyderabad and capital of Tripura is Agartala. Learn these two capital and state and write them in your notebook. Answer this question in the comment section. You need to write the correct pairs of numbers of given states and capitals in today's class. Question of the day is, which place is both the capital city and union territory? So complete your work, answer in the comment section, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.